Hi folks, and welcome to the Civic Toolbox. I do hope you enjoy this channel. The idea for this channel is to inspire you to answer the question, what is one thing that you can do today to make progress, to take action, and to give you agency, to say you have the tools to make this world a better place. Today's Civic Life Hack comes from Blue Sky follower Whitney Elise. And if you're a reader of books, you know that you don't find books, but the best books find you. Or like Emma Thompson said, I think books are like people in the sense that they'll turn up in your life when you most need them. So with that idea in mind, I was inspired by Whitney's post from the other day around banned books. She states, it will be a real shame to encourage folks to use banned book lists to do strange things like check them out regularly at the library, request the library order them if they don't have them, buy them, or support banned book clubs, organize a banned book kids story time. A real shame. As you may know, states and localities around the U.S. are banning books and making them unavailable in their libraries. In Whitney's post, she shares a recent list of banned books. And you can find that list here. The link is in the comments, pen.org. And I'll make sure that's available there. It's the most updated list. Now, of any of us who have tried these or read these books, we know that they have some amazing ideas in them. And we know that
an idea is a greater monument than a cathedral.
And that's a quote from my favorite movie, Inherit the Wind, Spencer Tracy. Hey everyone, sorry for the interruption, but we are working to get to 1,000 subscribers. I know this is a small feat, but if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button. We're making new videos each week, new hacks, new ways to make this world a better place. So go ahead and do that. And now back to your video. Just the best. Please watch that if you care about democracy. So how can we best share these ideas? Well, it just so happens that I have a copy of The Handmaid's Tale by Margaret Atwood, the esteemed Margaret Atwood. Only $8, paperback. And not too far from me is one of those little free libraries. Let's put the two and two together here. What do you say? Let's share this amazing book and let it fall into some curious reader's hands. Here we go. We're going to the little free library. And we're gonna make a nice little donation. I'm gonna share a book. There we are. There you are. Ideas worth spreading. We did it. Grab a book off this list. Find a little free library in your neighborhood and let these amazing ideas fall into the hands of the curious, of the skeptical, and the hopeful who might never encounter them otherwise. Books have the power to change minds and hearts, one reader at a time. So that's today's Civic Life Hack. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. Thanks to Whitney Elise for that great idea. And share these ideas far and wide, and we will see you next time on the Civic Toolbox.